So here we go guys, and here you can see a Google Chrome application is broken, and the application has failed to start because its side-by-side configuration is incorrect. Please see the application event log or use the command line xstrace .exe tool for the more information. So we can't go there. As you can see, we have an issue. Let me show you something again. Here, go to the Chrome, go to the when you click on the Chrome browser, and it's gonna be not even clicked. And here you can see we have another. And if I even click on it, and here it's gonna be show you something. So how you can fix this issue, and it's very easy. So let me show you something here. You need to go to the Chrome browser. So Chrome browser, then you gonna be click on the Google Chrome, and if you're gonna go to the Google Chrome, and there is a sponsored, but you can download it and simply download the okay, let me show you. Download now, and after you downloading start automatically, I think so. So for this I'm using this, and click on it, and it's downloading started, and here you can see where it's gonna be start. Okay, I don't know why it's download Chrome. Okay, so here you can see we downloaded, and then you need to just click on the accept and install, and then okay, got it. So here you can see what is that, anyway added, and I am using aunt. So here you can see after downloading complete, and just open it, and when you open the application, and it's gonna take some time, you can come on. So it's gonna be automatically fix all the problem and that we have in a Chrome. Here you can see, and then after this installation completed, you can see yourself it's gonna be vanished. So here we go, it's installing. So I think so it's overwrite all the previous code, and then here you, so we can solve, and if here you can see all the tabs are again back, and remove it, and go to the Chrome browser, go to and click on it, and now it started again. Let me finish this. Go to the Chrome, go to the Chrome bro. So the problem is the solve, and that's the simplest method I have ever seen. And if you like this method, please subscribe to my channel for the latest hacks like that. Just follow me on YouTube and Facebook, Instagram, and I'm gonna be sharing so many things, and it's gonna save you lots of time. So that's it guys. That's I hope you like it, and if you like it, please subscribe it and share it with your friends if they have a problem. See you with another video, but take care. Bye bye.